Scored it somewhat. Nope. This one we need 2 butter knives for. And I'm not sure if this one's going to split clean. But if it does, it might be a nice one. Split clean, but some nice sphenophyllum, I believe it is. Similar to today's horsetails. It's pretty nice. And then we'll just make that one. We'll try to split it along the same lines maybe. Unless I see something that tells me different. On to another one. This one's split clean too. See if it's got it. Nope, just some jumble on this one. All right, here we go. Looks like it's going to split clean. All right, this one I just split. The top part shattered, but I can pretty much guarantee you that this is going to be nice. Gorgeous, bold, Carboniferous fern fossil. Wow. And once I saw that exposed, I knew there's going to be something nice underneath. And there's the counterpiece. The counterpiece sort of shattered when I split it. You got to break some eggs to make an omelet, so that's the eggs that got broken. But that's what we got. Awesome.